What if AI could build an entire lead generation funnel with just one prompt, including quiz, scoring, calculator, landing page, email follow-up, even the CRM setup, and you will get all the things in just one tool. So I'm talking about Involve.me tool that can do everything for you. So let me show you how we can use it. So here we go. So you can see this is the website Involve.me. Open this. Let's click on the Get Started for free, and I'm going to sign in with the Google account. And the best part is that they have multiple plans like a start, grow, scale, enterprise, and they have one, the individual free plan. So you can test all the funnels before purchasing their plan. Sign into this platform and you can see this is the dashboard. And in the top bar, they have funnels, email automation, contacts, where you find all the contacts, analytics, and integration with third-party tools. Now, let's go to the funnel. Now, we have three options here. We can create a funnel from the AI, we can start with the templates, and we can do it from scratch also. Like everything, the logic, funnel, and everything, we can do it from scratch. So I'm going to go with the AI. So let's click on Create with AI. And we need to write a simple prompt here. Very simple. It's like, suppose, let me just write this one. Like build a clean, modern lead generation funnel for my website development agency. Budget is like 500 to 10K something. And let's click on the generate my funnel. Now we need to wait some seconds and that AI will generate a funnel for our website agency. Now you can see our funnel is generated. Let me just click on the preview button, okay, and let me see how this will work. Get the right website plan for agency, just start quiz. You can see whatever website do you need. So I need a just simple website. And what's your budget is like PK around. When do you want to launch? As soon as possible. And click on next. Now you can see how we can reach, like, let me just go details here, a thing, and submit request. So this is how we can collect the client's requirement. Now let's go to the funnel preview here. I want to change something in my funnel. Okay, so how I can do this? So it's very simple. Let's click on the website solution finder that we created here. Okay, and that we created with the help of AI. Okay, and you can see we added here all these things. Like now I want to change that third one. You can see once I click on the lead generation website, you will see here the lead generated website, new something, whatever you want to change, you can change it simply. Like go to the budget. If you want to change the budget, you can simply just change from here. It's so easy, right? Now let's go to the client details, and here we have three options. Now I want to add one more option like phone number. Okay, so go to the here and just mobile like phone, and I'm gonna just drag and drop this. Simple as this. So this is so easy to redesign your form. Now let me just make it publish. So click on the publish button and we have that URL. Copy this and let's click on publish now. Your first funnel is live. Now we have two URL. The funnel URL this, and we have a short URL also. We have some more options like embed as a website visit. So you can add it as a standard full page pop-up. So suppose if you want to do with the full page, click on this and simply get the code, like click on the get embed and copy this code and just implement that code in your website. Go to the dashboard. So let me just share that, and I'm going to go to the incognito window and open that URL. Whenever you do the marketing, you can just simply put that URL in your reel or in your poster. So once people click on this, so they will see that page directly. So start my quiz. Simply just select the things like this and then put the details here. Simply click on submit request. It's done. Go here, click on the dashboard and go to the contacts. Now you can see you will receive all the contacts here. Whenever someone fill the form, you will receive here. And when you go to the funnel, you will see here the completion. And everything you will see here, like how many clicks are here. Click on the response summary. So when you go here, you will see here the key metrics, visits. So how many people visit with that late and how many people complete the submission. For now, we have one visit and we have one completion. When I go here again and when someone click on this link and they just open this, but they didn't submit it. Okay, so once I go here and you will see here the visit is 2, but the submission is 1. Now you will see here the response summary and everything you will see here. And in that funnel, you can see the response and the personal data here like that. So it's very easy to create a funnel for your business. Now, there are a lot more things. So we just created a funnel here. Okay. Now, if you want to do the follow, so let's go to the email automation. Here, you can create a flow. Let's click on the create flow. You can just get the funnel templates from here, like welcome email series. Like whenever someone sign up, you can send them a welcome email or personalized 3 days follow-up email series also you can do. So there are a lot of things you can do. So you click on create and you can see this is the whole follow-up chart, like complete submission. Once the people submit their details, send email, wait time, then we have the conditional logic like branch 1, 2 and else. We can send email like this. So here wait 5 days and then again we can send email, wait time and send email. This is how we can create. So let me show you the very simple way here. Okay. So let me just go back and I'm going to just create flow with the scratch. And when the trigger we have to select, it means click on the configure and you can see the select trigger type, like complete the submission. So when someone submit, so which funnel? Website solution, this. Done. So we have to send emails. So click on this and I'm going to just drag and drop the send email. And what email we have to send? Hi first name, that is our from the funnel. Your response for funnel name has been received. And just simply save it. Whenever someone submit their details, so we will send the email to them about the welcome email. So like that, we can create an entire flow for follow-up to sending offer and a lot of things. So this is how the email automation flow works. Now go back. So we have the option of contacts. Here you can see all the contacts. We have option of analytics. You can see all over the analytics here. And if you want to do integration with other tools, so you can do integration from here. So this is how we can create a funnel. We can do the email automation. We have analytics and everything in just one tool. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.